We all know that minoxidil can increase your hair growth. I have used it for 1 year and I have regrown a lot of hair. Minoxidil does, however, not combat the core reason to male pattern baldness, which is the hormone called DHT. The most common and probably the most effective way to combat DHT is a medicine called finasteride. Personally, I have never used finasteride. Instead, I have tried natural DHT blockers. Before I started with my hair regrowth routine, I was losing a lot of hair. After I started, I have managed to keep a lot of my hair even without finasteride. The two main things I have used with the intention to combat DHT is a DHT blocking shampoo and pumpkin seed oil. For me personally, using these products along with minoxidil have helped me maintain my old and new hair growth very well for over a year. I use the shampoo 2 to 3 times per week and the oil around 1 to 3 times per week. They have also helped me to keep a healthy scalp.